Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a healthy eggless chocolate chip cookie recipe made without maida or refined flour. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup wood pressed coconut oil. Wood pressed coconut oil has a very neutral flavor and taste, hence it's ideal for baking. Into this I'm adding in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half cup khandsari sugar. Khandsari sugar, also known as khand, is a traditional variety of unrefined sugar. And with a whisk, I'm mixing all this really well. Add in 1.5 cups khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat, is a traditional variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule and it is less processed than refined whole wheat flour. Half teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. With the tip of the spatula, I'm lightly mixing the baking soda, salt into the khapli wheat. Add in 1/3 cup chocolate chips. Give this all a good mix. Also note that the color of khapli wheat flour is slightly darker than whole wheat flour. Once nicely mixed, take small portions and roll it into a round ball and then gently press it down like this and place it on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. At this stage, I have already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I am also pressing down a couple of chocolate chips on top. Okay, now the cookies are ready to bake. I'm going to bake in my preheated oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. Remember that oven temperature varies with oven, so keep an eye on it after 15 minutes. Once baked, I'm going to allow it to cool down in the baking tray itself. Also note that baking time will be slightly more when you are baking with khapli wheat flour than with whole wheat flour. Once completely cooled, transfer the cookies to an airtight glass container and it will stay good for up to a month at room temperature. So guys, do try this eggless chocolate chip cookies and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.